Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Fly with MKZ. My name is Reza. This video is all about getting a BZF license in Germany. If you want to fly through a control area or land in a big airport or even fly solo, you need to have and apply for a radio and telecommunication license in Germany. It's called BZF. Last week I did my exam and gladly I passed, and here it is. We have two kind of BZF in Germany. BZF 2, which is in German, and BZF 1, which is in English. My exam was BZF 1 because I want to fly a higher altitude and fly outside of Germany. The exam wasn't that hard, it was tricky, and you need to be prepared for this tricky exam. The exam had 3 parts. In this part you have 1 hour to answer 100 written questions. These 100 questions are part of a data bank and you can download it online. The bank contains about 260 questions and basically you need to memorize them. And also you can find those topics in your air law and communication in your PPO theory. You need to get 75% of the scores to pass the exam. It wasn't that hard. The tricky part for me was it was in German. So if you do all in English, be prepared for that. This part is about your German and English knowledge. You will receive an English text and you need to translate it to German. You need to show your comprehension in understanding the text and being able to share it. I would say this part is the most important part of your exam because you have to simulate a radio communication in and from a controlled airspace, an airport. The examiner will be ATC and ground, and you will be you, a pilot who wants to land and take off the aircraft. Easy, no? In BZF 1, one leg will be in German and another leg in English. For me, this exam took about 2.5 hours. And if I want to be honest, I had much harder exam in my life, but you need to be prepared to pass this exam. Now, I'm telling you how I prepared. You can do the same or find your own routine to get ready for this part. Actually, for the first 2 parts, you just need to read the text and understand the text. So it wasn't so challenging for me because my English is better than my German. So I spend most of the time on part 3. I did this part in my flight school. We did so many simulation and radio communication. There is so many online courses and way to be ready. So do your homework. But I have 3 pieces of advice for you to be ready for communication part. Number 1, make sure you understand phases of the flight. For example, if you are in the air, don't think about taxi clearances. Think about your approach. Number 2, it's a little bit odd, but it helped me. And maybe it helped you too. One of the students brought a small printed aircraft to show your position in the map. It helped because sometimes you lose your position and you need to figure it out where you are. But before you start your exam, make sure your examiner is okay with that. Last but not least, number 3. Don't forget to keep calm. If you didn't get the right information and you didn't understand the information, simply just say it again. It helps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Stay safe and have a good flight.